Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody, how are you doing? I hope you are doing great because I am. Well, in case you don't know me yet, let me introduce myself first so that we can interact more comfortably in our daily meeting. My name is Eti Sisviana, but everybody calls me Anna, so that you can call me Miss Anna. I am of course an English teacher and I work in SMP Negeri 2 Magelang, your beloved school. I have been teaching English for more than 20 years. I'm old, you know. This year I will be in charge of grade 9, just like the previous years. So that for those who are in grade 9, I would like to say welcome to my class. Well then, just for your information, I am married. I have one husband, of course, and I have also one son. Well, I live on Jalan Singosari number 16, Jalan Singosari nomor 16, Karangkidul, Magelang, in case you want to drop by. And what more can I tell you about? Well, my hobby. I think I have lots of hobby. I like reading, especially novels. I also like doing sports, especially jogging, and most of all, I love eating. Well then everybody, if you want to know more about me, you can contact me personally later on. And in this nice opportunity, I would like to share some important information about what we are going to learn during this 1 year. And the information will be on my PowerPoint presentation, so that I guess I will run the presentation, so you can also take a look at that. You can also note whatever information is there. Okay everybody, here is our presentation. Hello again everybody. Tadi kita sudah kenalan. I have introduced myself to you. So this is Miss Anna here. I'm so ready to learn English with you. What about you? Are you ready to learn English with me too? I hope so. Okay guys, in this nice opportunity, I would like to tell you about the essential things that we will learn during our last year in junior high school. Okay, basically there will be 11 chapters within this year. Tahun ini akan ada 11 bab yang akan kalian pelajarin, and those chapters will be divided into 2 parts. The first one will be for semester 1 and the second one will be for semester 2. In semester 1 there will be 6 chapters, and in semester 2 there will be 5 chapters. I know that's quite a lot for you to master. Lumayan banyak banget untuk kalian kuasain, and within a short time. Kenapa saya bilang short time? Because when you are in grade 9, you will only spend around 8 to 9 months at school. Then after that, you will say goodbye and go on with your next level of education, right? Okay, so saya akan jelaskan dengan sedikit cepat, sehingga kalau kalian perlu mengetahui lebih detail about any information, you can just pause here and there. Okay, boleh di pause di sana sini. Okay, so ini dia yang akan kita pelajarin di chapter 1. We will start with expressing hope and wish. Okay, and also the next will be expressing congratulations. Chapter 2, we will state purpose and intention. Purpose, tujuan, intention, maksud, and expressing agreement dan disagreement over suggestions or idea. Agreement, persetujuan, and disagreement, pertidaksetujuan. And the next, chapter 3, okay, it will be about labeling, tentang label, okay, drug label and food and drink label, label pada kemasan obat dan label pada kemasan makanan dan minuman. That's essential for our lives. The next is chapter 4. Chapter 4 itu about procedure text, teks prosedur, dan di sini kita belajar tentang 2 hal, yaitu recipes and manuals. The next is grammar stuff. Kita belajar grammar about past continuous tense, present continuous tense, and future continuous. Lumayan complicated, but we will rock it. Kita pasti bisa. And last, for semester 1, kita belajar simple past and present perfect tense. Again, this is grammar stuff. Lagi-lagi grammar stuff. Terus bagaimana dengan semester kedua? Oke, pertama kita buka dengan Sangkuriang dan kalian bisa tebak kita akan bicara tentang narrative text. And then the next is passive voice to describe object, kalimat pasif. And chapter 9, report text. Oke, ini adalah teks yang paling rumit sedunia karena apapun bisa masuk ke sini. And berikutnya advertisement. Orang Amerika bilang advertisement, orang Inggris bilang advertisement. Terserah kamu mau bilang apa. Ini iklan barang dan jasa, goods and services. And the last one, okay, it's about getting messages through songs. Kita ambil pesan, kita ambil pelajaran dari lagu. Okay, it will be fun. Yes. The next to know is about the assessment. Bagaimana tesnya, Miss? Kalau kita belajarnya daring begini, bisa. Tetap kita akan ada daily test, tes ulangan harian, ada dalam bentuk written test and practices. Also, ada structured assignment. Sorry, harusnya structured assignment tuh masuk penilaian tersendiri, tapi saya nulisnya salah, sorry guys. And the next is midterm test. Midterm test itu tes tengah semester dalam bentuk tertulis, dan final semester test. Okay. Sorry, ini harusnya ada satu lagi. Kalau untuk semester 2 there will be US, ujian sekolah, because although there is no more UNBK, you will still have to go through US. Kamu harus tetap melewatin US untuk lulus SMP. And bagaimana cara melakukan dan juga pengumpulannya? Kalau tesnya itu berbentuk kuis, artinya adalah pilihan ganda atau enggak menjodohkan dan lain-lain, kita akan pakai Google Form. Dan kalau dia adalah essay, berarti kamu tidak bisa lewat Google Form, tetapi bisa paper base, artinya ditulis tangan, or computer base atau di ketik. Ini contohnya kalau kalian membuat karangan. Kalau dia essay bisa dikumpulkan via WA atau via email saya. Saya rekomen kalian untuk tidak via WA, lebih baik. Tapi kalau misalnya handwritten ya memang harus difoto lewat WA, is okay. And then kalau dia bentuknya spoken test, okay, you've got to record them. Harus direkam in the form of video, and then you submit the video via WA. Saya nggak rekomen WA, saya lebih rekomen IG, okay, or you upload to YouTube channel if you have one. Okay. Ini kita punya kontrak yang harus kita sepakatin bersama. First, kalian harus tahu what kind of teacher I am. Saya guru semacam apa. I'm not a strict teacher, but I'm disciplined. Well, saya nggak strict sih, nggak galak, cuman a bit scary, agak menakutkan. So, for any assignment, untuk setiap tugas, please submit before the due date. Kumpulkan sebelum jatuh temponya, atau paling lambat pas di tanggal jatuh temponya. Kenapa begitu? Karena kalau kalian mengumpulkan tugasnya late, you will be penalized. 1 day lateness equals 2 of score deduction. 1 hari terlambat, kurangin 2 poinnya. Oke, bayangin kalau kalian terlambat 1 minggu. Right. So guys, karena kita nggak bisa ketemu langsung di kelas, untuk memulai kelas kita, I will post some essential material on Google Classroom. Pada bagian topik bahasa Inggris, nanti kalian check this out first, then study, dilihat dulu dan pelajarin. So I also invite you for any discussion. Kalau ada pertanyaan atau apapun itu dealing with the material, okay, I will be open for discussion. Saya terbuka untuk discussion, okay? Finally, I hope everything will run smoothly for us. Semoga segala sesuatunya berjalan lancar buat kita, no matter what the condition is. And I also hope that you will enjoy learning in my class. And to the last words, have a good day everybody. I'm off.